Hi friends, welcome to Dhanam Tech channel. Most of us have PC and laptop at home, right? So whenever we purchase a PC or laptop, we see the laptop is performing very well, the speed is good, everything is fine, it goes well. So no worries. But gradually after 3 months, 6 months, 1 year down the line, we have seen that the PCs, laptops have gone very slow. The main reason for the slowness is the C drive. So whenever you purchase laptop, make sure you have two drives, C drive and D drive. Most of them they come with only C drive and all the application, everything is dumped here and the system becomes very slow. So in my machine, if you see, most of the files I have moved into the D drive, but in most cases we have seen that all the folders, files, everything will be dumped on the desktop and you cannot see the background of the desktop. You have to keep on pulling these things to see what exactly is there on the desktop background. So what happens, all the files which are there in the desktop, it is directly linked to the C drive. So it is advisable not to keep anything on the desktop, instead move everything into the D drive, because whatever sits on the desktop is linked to the C drive, and whenever the data is going on increasing in the C drive, the system's operating systems performance becomes very slow, and whenever you open application, Word, everything, the speed is damn slow. So the best idea or advice suggestion is to keep all the datas, whatever you are downloading, movies, audio files, you're working on documents, keep them on the D drive and leave the C drive space only for the operating system and applications. The C drive you can even reduce and keep up to 150 GB. You don't need to keep up to 500 GB C drive, just keep 150 GB on the C drive and make a rest of the partition on the D drive. So all the data's application maximum you can use on the D drive, and C drive will be only for the operating systems and the applications you load. This will make the C processing speed very fast because it has very less load on it compared to the data. Whenever you load the data on the C drive and you keep everything on the desktop, it is not advisable because it is directly linking to the C drive, which is reducing the performance of your system. Now after 3 months, 6 months down the line, you see even then you have only operating systems. There is a lot of temporary files, dump files and junk files which are getting generated in the C drive. So there is a two option. One is whenever after 3 months, 3 years or 4 years, when the operating system is becoming very slow, what you have to do, you have to keep all your data in this D drive and use the laptop or PC in a shop to format it. Whenever these guys format the PC or laptop, they format on the C drive. So all your data which is kept in the D drive is very safe, and even you can move this into an external hard disk for safer side of having a separate backup. You'll have two copies, one in D drive, one in your external hard disk, and you can give the laptop or PC for formatting. Once they format and reload operating system and the respective applications, you can get the data from the D drive or your external data wherever it is there, and the system becomes a fresh system and the processing is where you will have a very good performance. Now this formatting of the laptop or PC will take at least for 1 year, 2 years down the line. You can give it for once for formatting, then it becomes fresh, then again you can use the laptop for 2 or 3 years without any issue. But there is another option wherein you can gradually after 3 months or 6 months down the line, you can clean up the C drive space. Clean up means you need not delete all the files in there, but Microsoft has given an option which I'll be showing you right now. Just right click on this C drive and go to properties, and there is a disk cleanup option. This disk cleanup option you can do it whenever you 3 months or 6 months. If you do, this will clean up all the temporary junk files what are there in the C drive, and this will speed up your laptop. So whenever you purchase laptop, you don't bother to clean up or maintain the laptop pieces. So this will keep on occupy some space, which I will show you right now how much data it has occupied in the junk or temporary files which are not required, and Microsoft recommends us to delete them for the better performance of the PC or laptop. So just click the disk cleanup and it will be calculating how much temporary files are there and what are the error files. And totally, if you see here, it is showing 799 MB. 799 MB is very less, but if you just go on swing down the offline web pages, you take it, all these which is not required, you go on decking, and if you see the downloads, whatever we download, it goes and sits in the download. This is showing 10.5 GB of data you can clean up. In case if you feel download whatever you are downloading is very important and you have kept it, then ignore this and you go to recycle bin. Whatever you are deleting over a period of time, maybe 1 year, 2 year, everything is sitting on the recycle bin. This recycle bin is also occupying the C drive space. So C drive process space unnecessarily is going on occupied and overload is there, and the speed of the laptop or PC is becoming very slow. So temporary files. So now even without taking the download files, which maybe we have some important movies or MP3s downloaded or any study materials, we can ignore this. But in my case, whatever I have downloaded, I have done, I have moved everything in the D drive. So I will download, check this download also. Then now it is clearing my 21.6 GB of space. Most important to note here is it is deleting from the C drive. What Microsoft says is all these files which are being deleted is not going to cause any problem in your laptop or PC operating system, and you can go ahead cleaning up this 21.6 whenever after 3 months, 6 months down the line this keeps on increasing and you can delete it. So it cleans up all the temporary and junk files. So let me do it. So I'll just say OK and I will delete all this file. This will take some time, so we'll come back again in a short time. Now friends, the cleaning process completed. So again, when I go and click the disk cleanup, now it is showing only 7 MB. So even if you check all this, again still there are some more download files. Now from 21 GB it has come to 5.67 GB. So once again I will check everything. Once again I'm going to delete, so that this 5.6 GB of data also getting removed from the C drive. So totally we'll be getting around 21 GB once we delete this. So all this is getting reduced from the C drive, which is going to improve our C drive performance. Now once we have done the second time cleanup, we'll see how much space is left over. Now it is showing 3.72 GB. From 5 GB it has come down further. So this also I will try to reduce. So now let's see how much space it has cleared up. Now friends, see, now download has come down to 8 MB. So overall now we have reduced 21 GB of data. So this is first option of clearing the C drive with the applications, junk files, temporary files. Now we have one more option here to clean up system files. We'll check this also from the system files, how much data we'll be able to clear up from the C drive. So let me click the clean up system files. Hopefully this calculation will take time, to I'll pause the video. As you can see, now it has come back to the Windows cleanup state. Previously it was the temporary files what you deleted. Now it is clearing up some system files, and here if you see Windows Update is having 7.5 GB, and we can go on checking all these files which are not required and which is slowing down our PC or laptop performance. So I'll go on checking and I will see how much the maximum temporary files are getting deleted. 8 GB. So there it was 21 GB, here it's 8 GB. Almost 30 GB of unnecessary data is sitting on the C drive load, and that load is causing a performance of the system. What Microsoft is saying, Windows keep copies of all install updates from Windows Update. Even after installing newer version of update, Windows Update cleanup deletes or compresses older versions of updates that are no longer needed and taking up space. So here they have clearly mentioned that whatever we are deleting it here, it's an unwanted space which is occupying and more importantly slowing down the process of our PCs or laptops. So this process we will do now. Once in a year we can do, or whenever you feel the system is going slow, you can go and check all these temporary files, which is a two-step process. One is we have done the application and temporary file. The second is we have done the system related files, which is 8 GB of data getting cleaned up, and in the application it was 21 GB. So totally 30 GB getting cleared up from our C drive. So let's delete it. I have bought this laptop around 2 years before. Now this is the first time I'm doing this, so I can show you the live what exactly is happening in the cleanup process. So 30 GB was unwanted data sitting on the C drive, and gradually I have cleared up to improve the performance of the PC and PC laptops. You can do it with the same process for your laptop as well. So let me come back once this cleaning process of the Windows system files are completed. You can see up still the process going on. Windows update cleanup is going on. This should take some time. Friends, very important note, the disk cleanup usually is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machines. So let's wait till the full process is completed. Guys, the Microsoft recommended cleanup process is completed now. It took almost 30 minutes for me for the whole process, because as I was able to clean up 30 GB data, it would take up more time depending on your laptop PC's junk datas. If you're not done for 3 years, 4 years, please do it now. Let's go back and see. Now if you see, it's only showing 13 MB. Before it was 21 GB. Now if you clean up the system files, it was showing around 8 GB. Even that also got cleared up now. So the whole process is completed now. I am sure many of you would have not done this process from the time of your purchase of the laptop or PC. Please try this process and put your comments down how the performance has changed after this doing this process, and also let me know how much junk data you were able to clear from your C drive. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.